Hi doctors, hope you're well. Just wanted to let you know what the situation is with ARIMGSAS in relation to COVID-19. We're still running courses online. We're running courses for the MCQ because, as you know, the AMC has still got their examination dates open for the MCQ. So if you need to be prepared, and you can be prepared from anywhere in Australia, any state in Australia, or if you're overseas and you want to do a course, you can do that because we're conducting our courses online. Same with the clinical. We're running two courses, the 8-week clinical and the 10-week clinical, both of those online. So if there happens to be a lockdown or that you're stuck at home, there's the opportunity to you to enroll in a course and prepare yourself online. We use Zoom. The quality is very good. We're already doing that with a number of classes, and the feedback from the students is very positive. So you can do a course for 8 or 10 weeks, prepare yourself for the exam, know what the exam's all about, get the tips and the assistance from our tutors. Then when the course is finished, if the exams are still not open, then you'll have enough time to study with one of your study partners to prepare yourself for the exam. We just wanted to let you know that we're here for you. We're already conducting courses online. We've got one student in Sri Lanka, many students across different states. The feedback from the students is very happy. The quality is very good. And it's like you are sitting in a classroom. You can ask questions of the tutor. The tutor can answer any questions that you might have. So we want to know that we're here to support you. Don't be alone. If you need us, we're here. Then also, for those doctors that have already done our courses, just to let you know that a number of hospitals have contacted us asking us if we have any students that have passed MCQ and clinical particularly, but other doctors that have passed MCQ and got their English that are eligible for registration because they're recruiting. So we can assist you with that as well. So if any of you are looking for jobs at the moment, APRA has sent out an email to say that they're fast-tracking registration. So to get doctors into the hospital so they can assist with the COVID-19 pandemic. We just wanted to let you know that we're open. We're conducting our courses the same, and we're here to assist you. If any of you need any help, please contact us. Someone will be available. It might be the same as normal where we're all based in one spot. Many people will be working from home, but we just want to let you know that we're here for you if you need us. Thank you.